I'm in Buckley, Michigan today at the Buckley Old Engine Show. And this looks like a Survivor, like it's never been restored. This is a 1916 7 horsepower Victor kit tractor. I guess they would send you this one in crates and you put it together. Safety features weren't a real big concern in this era. It was pretty much you're responsible for your own actions. If you're stupid enough to put your hand or foot someplace where it doesn't belong, it's going to get cut off. Looks like a Fairbanks Morse engine. But yeah, if you hurt yourself operating this thing, that's on you. There was no suing the company to get over something like that. You gotta love that this is a Survivor that actually still works.